Welcome back to the channel, Hobby1 Kenobi here. Today I'm going to work on the base for the AFV Club M1126 Stryker. I will show you how I constructed the base and the groundwork. Well, let's go ahead and get started. I will be working with foam board insulation known as XPS. This can be picked up at Home Depot, and they have it available in smaller squares or very large sections. I cut up two pieces and glued them to each other to create some height. I carved a section off one corner to create a slight incline, and will be adding a slight hill to the opposite corner. Now I am attaching this piece with this Gorilla Glue construction adhesive. This product is squeezed to the corner piece, spread around to make a thin layer, and then set in place. Later I will add basswood or balsa to the edges and carve the pieces to match the contours of the base. I decided that the dirt road would need some texture, so I added some Sculptamold to the foam. The idea here was to create a slight bulge in the center of the road to depict the natural indentation that occurs when wheeled and tracked vehicles frequent a lane. To create the actual dirt, I used AK's terrain product. This stuff is easy to work with, is water soluble, and dries fast. I almost forgot to tape the edges of the base. This stuff is going to get messy. I decided I wanted to have a buildup of dirt as it reaches the road. I pictured the larger rocks rolling down over time. Then when it rains, a natural river might form at the base of the hill. I do plan to add some puddles in this scene. More on that in future videos. this is how the base looked once the terrain dried. Next, I decided to sand on the road itself. I wanted to continue to enhance the effect that many vehicles had driven on this road, so I sanded more frequently and more vigorously the areas where the wheels would be. Next, it was time to add rocks in the dirt. These could also be added before the product dries. Finally, AK's gravel and sand fixer was used to keep the rocks in place. In a future video, I will paint the base, I will add grass, and I will add some water and puddles. Well, that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe. Please do like the video. Please feel free to share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.